As you know, in previous module we talked about the application of artificial intelligence in different sectors like agriculture, healthcare, and what is the global interest regarding your artificial intelligence. Now we will see the Niti Aayog paper about the artificial intelligence. Correct? Because Niti Aayog came up with the national strategy on artificial intelligence in 2018. That's why it is one of the most potential questions may ask in your UPSC prelims or mains. So you see, as per Niti Aayog, artificial intelligence has potential to add around your 1,000 billion to the Indian economy by 2035. You just see HNA report. This is a very important report that states that if India employ artificial intelligence in true sense, it would produce extra produce $1,000 billion. You see, by 2035. Niti Aayog also came up with the national strategy plan on artificial intelligence in 2018. National Artificial Portal of India was launched at that time after Niti Aayog report. Research DRD Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics also formed to see the interest of Indian people also towards artificial intelligence. Our government is also interested towards artificial intelligence. Yes, you see. According to the strategy, as per the Niti Aayog strategy, artificial intelligence in India can be studied under three subheadings. Opportunity, it gives you the opportunity. It has greater good. Everyone will be benefited. Common good approach. And third one is it caters 40% of the world population needs. Garage means caters, means satisfy 40% of the world. And we will see how it provides opportunity, how it used for the common good. Now we will see the first one. Opportunity, that is the economic impact of artificial intelligence for India. Artificial intelligence is emerging as a new factor of production, augmenting the traditional factor of production. Yes, whatever machines we have traditionally, it can be made in a good manner, so that human population, the involvement of labor may reduce, and in this way you have to give skill development to the people. So in this way also people are also improving their human capital, as well as machines are also improving. So with the help of artificial intelligence, machine can become your smart. And if machine becomes smart, in order to cope with the machines, people have to become smart. So it is a win-win situation for both the things, as well as it will have impact on the production also, because now a smarter machine can produce more number of goods. Artificial intelligence is emerging as a new factor of production. You see, augmenting the traditional factor of production. Augmenting means maximizing at its potential level the traditional factor of production, because traditionally we have a lot of different systems. You go and switch on a light and everything, must very mechanized way. But artificial intelligence is so automatic. AI has the potential to overcome the physical limitation of capital and labor also. If there is 100 people working in a industry, production will be fixed. But with the help of artificial intelligence machine, with even 10 people you can produce the same result as we used to produce in the past with your 100 laborers or 1000 laborers. So that's why artificial intelligence has the potential to overcome the limitations of your capital and labor and open up new sources of value and growth. It creates the value additions, it gives the value additions. From an economic impact perspective, artificial intelligence has potential to push growth by enabling intelligent automation. Now your machine becomes more smart and it can take decision, self decision. Number one, labor and capital augmentation, enabling humans to focus on the parts of their role that add the most value. Now human being also become smart to cope with the smart machines. Competing human capabilities and improving capital efficiency. Now human becomes more capital as compared to previous one. Innovation diffusion, propelling innovation as it diffuses through the economy. artificial intelligence innovation in one sector will have positive consequences in another also. If you have good industry, that means you have good service sector. If you have one good industry, it impact on the other industries. So it will have cascading effect, multiplier effect on other economy. So that's why innovation diffusion, if you have a artificial intelligence machine in one industry, it will employed in other industries also, because it has repercussion, it has results on other industries also. That's why innovations diffusion, propelling innovation as it diffuses through the economy. Obviously, if you have good production in one system, it will automatically impact the other system also. Artificial intelligence innovation in one sector will have positive consequences in another, as industry sector are interdependent based on the value chain system. Right? Because we have to have raw materials from the primary sector, secondary sector, MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. They are all are interrelated to each other. If anything happens in small industries, it will impact in the medium industries. All are interrelated in the system, chain system. Yes. You see, artificial intelligence for greater food, social development and inclusive growth. Yes, at the beginning I told you. Yes, we have to produce extra food. So for that, artificial intelligence will predict the health of the soil, natural calamity, climate change, everything will be coped beautifully by your artificial intelligence. See the third point. Yes, it caters 40% of the world needs of the 40% people of the world. Yes, you see. Solution provider of choice for emerging and developing economics. There was actually world was limited towards the China for artificial intelligence, because China has been a great market for artificial intelligence since 5 or 10 years. But if India develops such ecosystem, many people or many countries would attracted towards India, and India will be benefited a lot. So first solution provider of choice for emerging economy is your China, because China was actually proved itself that I am the best one. But India can provide a perfect playground for enterprises to develop scalable solution, which can be easily implemented in the rest of the developed country and emerging economies. Because anything implemented in India can be copied in other countries also. Because from India, many countries actually enjoy, like your African countries, pharmaceutical industries, every medicines are totally dependent on India. Because India produce lot of pharmaceuticals, medicines, API, bulk drugs.
And also our diplomatic relations.
Yes, because we are known for our soft power also, no? And so one can trust India rather than China. Because our parliamentary democracy and because of our history, because we have given Buddha, yes, Gandhiji. Example, yes, simply put, if you see, solve for India means if you are concentrating on India, that means you are solving for 40% of the world, because 40% of people are directly connected with the India, directly or indirectly, you see, because there are a lot of population in India first, and whatever population in African countries or southeastern countries and other countries totally depend on India. Example, artificial intelligence based solution for early diagnosis of tuberculosis, top causes for death worldwide, could easily be rolled out to countries if any artificial intelligence system developed in India in order to cure tuberculosis. It will impact on those other country in which there are numbers of tuberculosis patients have been there. Yes, could be easily rolled out to other countries like Southeast Asia or Africa once developed and refined in India. So beyond healthcare, artificial intelligence technology in the other sector like agriculture, education, mobility can transform the world. So developing in India can cater the needs of 40% of the world. That is the paper made by Niti Aayog. Now focus areas for the intervention in India according to the strategic paper. You see, healthcare, we have to focus on healthcare, agriculture, education, smart cities and infrastructure, smart mobility and transportation. These are the 5-6 grounds on which one need to focus on these things, so that it will have multiplied effect on economy also, as well as social, healthcare and other sectors also. healthcare, very important, agriculture, education, smart city, infrastructure, smart mobility and transportation. You see the map? Yes, we have artificial computer vision, auto processing, sense, and many things, natural language processing, machine learning expert. Yes, I talked about the how artificial intelligence works, machine learning, and so on. That's it.